Ganza TV hakunino muri presidence yari hano byamucanze yari kwikatisa gake gake ni fast lady kumbe bakiro yari yinjiye my love uri hano Glenn
I'm sorry your party is having problems now because
ishyaka ryari rifite ibibazo kubera ari ngiye bibateje.
Don't think like that. It's not
utekereze gutyo ntagara amakosa yawe.
Of course I worry
ndahangayitse
about what's best for your candidacy and for your whole party.
mpagajishwe n'ishyaka ryawe ryose.
Allegra instead. Maybe she can still change her mind.
ahari navugana na Allegra agahindura ibitekerezo bye. uriya mwihorere.
Ever since I saw the true colors of
ubwo nabonaga amabara ye nyayo uriya mugore Allegra Trinidad sinkimwifuza pe. kwiyamamazanya nawe ari kugerageza gutuma ugaragara nabi. kandi wibuke sinzemera Senator Trinidad cyandure wese kugusuzugura. Nje nzaguha n'ijwi.
Is your vote my only reward?
ijwi ryonyine se rirahagije shaka n'ikinduma. aragishaka.
There. Is that sufficient?
ako ntago kaguhagije se areka ye.
Where are the kids?
abana bari he?
They're asleep.
abana barasinziriye.
Let's go.
kumbe hakunino ndagira ngo ure filime witonze.
Thank you very much, Mr. President.
murakoze cyane Mr. President.
And Vice President Ezekiel.
ndetse na Vice President Ezekiel.
Live. Everyone to come inside.
ndetse turashaka guha ikaze abantu bose muzi ndani tujye kurya. ni President haro yaje gutangiza kumbe dore wundi bahuze bakundana.
Mr. President.
Felicitation Mr. President. nawe warakoze cyane avoka Ingrid.
Project won't be possible.
iyo bitabaho iyi projet ntiyari gukunda.
So now that you're done with the project,
ubwo projet yawe irangiye se ugiye gusubira muri Amerika?
Yes, that's the plan.
yego niyo gahunda.
But
ariko
project really made a huge impact on
iyi projet nakoze inaha yatumye rwose mpinduka. nabonye ko
I can still be of help.
numvishe hari byinshi nafasha kugira ngo abantu bari mu bukene hano dukomeze tubafashe muri Philippines.
Love.
Shani.
I think Ingrid will be of great help.
nyamara Ingrid twamwifashisha muri campaign yawe umva sasa guhubuka. ntagazi kuyahoza kundana n'umugabo. Ingrid twamwifashisha muri campaign yawe mukajya muri kumwe. ntagazi kuyahoza kundana n'umugabo we. iyo yaramwikundiye ni kumwe ngabakobwa bahura ngakahita avuga ngo yiri twin wanjye.
Please.
tumukoreshe muri campaign yawe.
Be an honor to have you back in the team.
ni cyubahiro rwose kuba watwemamaza perezida.
Excuse me, Mr. President. The men and women are waiting.
Yes. abantu baradutegereje perezida tugire batari bagira.
Congratulations.
Felicitation. uyu nguyu yinjiye hano mu ikipe ya perezida. uza kundana na perezida Glenn. yeah. Katurori.
President Acosta held the groundbreaking ceremony for the new anti-poverty program building.
This is where we'll construct the building.
baje kureba ahantu perezida ku makuru ngo yatangije inyubako bagiye kuyubaka ngo ninzi zakoreramo porogaramu yo kurwanya ubukene. wa mugore uza kundana na perezida ari kubireba hano nguyu Ingrid. arabireba byose nawe yarahari.
You made a mistake letting me be a part of
ukoze ikosa ryo kureka ngo nze dukorane perezida Glenn. niko yatangiye kuvugira ku mutima.
my heart.
wambabarije umutima.
You ruined my life.
wanyangirije ubuzima mu magambo y'umugore.
I will also wreck everything.
niyo mpamvu nanjye ngiye kwangiza ibintu byose by'ingenzi kuri wowe. uyu mugore wagarutse Ingrid ni umugome. avoka Ingrid ni umu ex wa perezida.
Tingala maintindihan, ako raw ay nahihiyan.